Biafra, the land of the rising suns. Onye si n'ọgaga dị ndụ hụkwa ndị Igbo, alili gerishi ya o. Onye si n'ọgaga dị ndụ hụkwa Biafra, ili gerishi ya o. Anyị bụ ụmụ Chukwu okike abịa ma ihe anyị chọrọ bụ nwere onwe anyị. Anyị ejeghị mmadụ ọbụla ụgwọ, onye biri ka ibe ya biri. Maka egbe bere ugo bere n'o, ọ bụkwa ọfọ n'ogo ka anyị ji aga. Ka anyị gbawa mbọ anya dara mba, anyị jisike anyị nwee mmeri. Hey, I got to financial. Chukwu okike kere eluigwe n'ụwa, nna bịa n'ụlọ olumo. Anyị enweghị Chukwu ọzọ ewezuga gị chịkwa ụzụ ndị agha. Anyị ebughị anya kọtọ gị, ihe anyị chọrọ bụ nwere onwe anyị. N'aka ndị nwere obi ọjọọ, n'aka ndị ama n'oke ọchịchọ. Ọsọkwa aka egburu egbe na mma, o nweghị ya ga-emume Chukwu. Ọ bụzi mmadụ ole kunu ga-egbunu. Ihe anyị ma bụ oji ọfọ gara. Onye si n'ọgaga dị ndụ hụkwa ndị Igbo, alili gerishi ya o. Onye si n'ọgaga dị ndụ hụkwa Biafra, ili gerishi ya o. Anyị bụ ụmụ Chukwu okike abịa ma ihe anyị chọrọ bụ nwere onwe anyị. Anyị ejeghị mmadụ ọbụla ụgwọ, onye biri ka ibe ya biri. Maka egbe bere ugo bere n'o, ọ bụkwa ọfọ n'ogo ka anyị ji aga. Ka anyị gbawa mbọ anya dara mba, anyị jisike anyị nwee mmeri. I got to financial.
Jonathan gave you money to build road from Enugu to Onitsha, from Enugu to Iguacha, and you pocketed the money and shared it with your friends. Because sometimes I blame the zoo, I blame Nigeria, but we know that the real problem is the quality, or should I say, the criminals that we produced or that rig themselves into political office. Ask them, how many times did Jonathan award the road of Iguacha to Enugu? How many times? Did Jonathan not pay them this money? I have asked them before, rather than writing rubbish as a rented petition writer. I want people to rise up one day and ask all these idiots that you're seeing, because I said the truth about Ike matter. They're writing rubbish. Where is the money that was given to you to build Enugu to Iguacha Express Road? Where is the money? We are busy blaming Zoo, blaming Janjaweed. Of course, they're supposed to be blamed because of what they're doing to us. But the little money that was given to build Enugu to Onitsha Express Road, where is the money? Who took it? The money that was awarded to build Owerri to Umuahia, where is the money? Who ate it? And when we say that those people should be stoned, people start to talk rubbish, because they have the mentality of Alamajiri, of Rankadede, because the blood in them says that when somebody is oppressing you, you must serve that person. You must even be more loyal to that person. That is what they are doing. They may answer a Biafran name, they may answer an Igbo name, but for goodness sake, they are not part of us. The saboteurs, including, until our people turn their... Don't blame the Fulani. Blame the saboteurs within you. Blame those that go to Abuja to collect money for one Nigeria. Blame those that come on television to say, oh, we support one Nigeria. Go and vote. They are the ones to blame. Not the Fulani. Of course, nature abhors vacuum. We are living in Lagos, we are living in London, we are living in Paris, we are living in München, we are living in New York, we are in Chicago. Somebody has to occupy the village. And the Fulanis have decided to occupy it, to take it over, to rape and to kill us in the process. That's how life works. You can't abandon your village, you're living in Lagos, you're living in Abuja. People will come to take it now. That's how life is. And that's what they're doing. And you talked about people who are, these are people that, you know, their fathers are coming back to invade us. Most of their fathers or themselves were born by Janjaweed during the war. I keep saying this all the time. There was so much hunger in the land, that some women sadly gave themselves away. We know those today who have made it politically or have turned out to be millionaires. Immediately, some of them, even during the war, they were taking their daughters and their wives to Janjaweed. You know why? Macaulay Road. So Janjaweed can sleep with their wife or their daughter to give them food, and after the war, give them contract. Most of the millionaires that came out after the war, 90% of them, were those that compromised themselves, that gave their daughters or their wives to Janjaweed, because before then, a Janjaweed can never ever touch a Biafran woman. Never. When they go to the market and they brush beside the Biafran, they go back and they do rank and they do party in their homes. Ask them in Kano, ask them in Kaduna, in Zaria, ask them in Sokoto. When a Janjaweed, Alamajiri, when they go to the market in those days, you see all these people, Tanko Yakasai, all these Anga Abdullahi. When they were young, if they brush, as you're walking on the street, you brush past an Igbo woman. You see this Anga, they go back home and they celebrate, they have a party. They ask them, why are you killing ram and goat? They say, because today in the market, my body touched that of an Igbo woman. Go and ask anybody in the north, they will tell you. But we cheapened ourselves immediately after the war. They gave birth to rubbish. They gave birth to nonsense. Pure garbage. And those garbage begat even more rubbish. They are the idiots, you see. Writing junk. And we know where they come from. Isn't it very ironic? They always come from a particular place. And where they come from during the war, there was no war there. Fulani was ruling them. Impregnating their women, they gave birth to rubbish. That is why there will be a compulsory DNA test in Biafra land. A compulsory DNA test. We want to know who fathered us. Those are the idiots that you see. And they are not even in the minority. They don't exist. They only exist in the realm of social media. One or two of them with their multiple fake accounts. Sponsored by politicians that took our own money.
Another Savior, holy, 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 Adimebujuku. Another Savior, holy, 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 Adimebujuku. Well, this is Mobien. This is dedicated to the gallant heroes of the Nigerian Biafra War and IPOB families all over the world. I remember the Nigerian Biafran War, in the thickness of the Biafra genocide. Hey, one man revived the vanishing hope to life. Let the great Biafran army to fight, and they were singing out, holy, 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 is another Savior. They were singing out, holy, 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 is another Savior. Holy, 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 is another Savior. Many years after the genocide, whoa, yet another great leader has risen up now. Oh, and he's leading the Biafrans to victory. Inyamadika yabika kwa namno wao. Hey, anamekele mazuche mefo. Mwanemo, it's an honor having you on board. When I'm singing along, holy, 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 Nandekano is another Savior. Holy, 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 Nandekano is another Savior. When I sing along, holy, 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 is another Savior. Getting it right and getting it faster now.
Ntị na ka m pịa gị ka m bịa gị uche m chọrọ ibi gị na-abụ nwanne ọsọkwa ya gbaa Bugatti nwee Rolls Royce 2030 model inwe ụlọ niile la Lekki ma Banana Island mana ile ekwu okwu Biafra mana ebu mogo brother asị na ebu mogo you're a fool.
Thank you guys for watching today's video. Please do not forget to subscribe, turn on your notification bell to all, comment down below what you think about this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys and stay blessed. Love you all.